There's something happening in 2/3 of encounters between patients and clinicians that you can't afford to ignore. With more specialists to coordinate, a higher volume of comorbidities to treat, and an increasing number of patients who want to share in decision-making, your clinician's world has never been more complex. As a result, 2 out of every 3 patient interactions generate questions in clinicians' minds, and they're only getting harder to solve. And 60% of those questions go unanswered because clinicians don't have time to find answers. They look but can't find them, or they don't trust the answers they do find. It's a problem that's not going away. In fact, it's estimated that by 2020, medical information will double every 73 days. Tools like YouTube, Google, and Wikipedia are typical destinations for clinical teams who need answers, but these sources can be inaccurate and inconsistent. Clinical teams often rely on summary content. However, complex cases demand more in-depth information, requiring clinicians to go deeper on a topic to accurately address the patient condition. For clinicians, this means using unproven or incomplete resources that waste crucial time for patient care. And for patients, it means unsatisfactory experiences, and worse, a greater risk to their health and safety. To better benefit patients and combat the complexity of today's healthcare landscape, you need resources you can trust to provide accurate, complete, and relevant information for your clinical practice. Finding accurate answers is just the first step. What you really need is alignment, so your clinical teams are working from the same evidence-based information, whether they are newly licensed or a seasoned specialist. This new perspective on information means more efficiency for your teams, who can now operate from the same trusted answers. Your organization can reduce your overall spend on clinical decision support, and most importantly, you can minimize the possibility of an error that could put patient outcomes at risk. This is why more and more health leaders are turning to Clinical Key to improve clinical practice through informed, confident decisions. Visit us online to learn more.